How to unprivate your TikTok account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If your TikTok account is private, in this video I will guide you on how you can unprivate it or make your private account into public one. For that, you want to open the TikTok app on your device. If you don't have this app, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you open the application, make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, as you can see on your profile, it says private account. If you want to unprivate your account, simply tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then from this menu, tap on the settings and privacy option. Now you have different options here. Go ahead and tap on the one that says privacy. Now you have the private account option here. As you can see, it is toggled on, which means you have a private account at the moment. Only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Now, if you want to make your account public, all you want to do is toggle this option off. Now, it's going to ask you if you want to switch to public account, which means anyone will be able to follow you and view your public post. Anyone can do it with your video, anyone can stitch with your video, and anyone can download your video. If you agree, tap on the switch option. As soon as you do that, your account has been successfully changed into a public one, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.